Hold on to your bubbles there, my friends. I'm about to uncover for you the top 3 properties of a high quality handmade soap, while at the same time probably shedding some light on why soap makers for generations have been gatekeeping their recipes. So if you're ready, let's dive right into it while you watch me make this confetti birthday cake soap. So number 1 is cleansing. You think it's a no-brainer, right? Cleansing and soap, they go hand in hand. You really can't have one without the other. However, producing a bar of soap that's too cleansing can also mean it strips your skin of its natural oils, leaving you high and dry. And really, who wants to be left feeling dry and irritated? So basically, it's a balancing act of really figuring out the right percent of the right ingredients to produce a bar of soap that's not only cleansing, but also gentle on your skin and leaves you feeling moisturized as well. Secondly, hardness. Another key component in a high-quality soap is a hard bar of soap, which means it'll last longer. However, if a bar of soap is too hard, it can be a little difficult to use. So there's another balancing act soap makers do in choosing the right ingredients and really dialing in on the right percent of each ingredient needed to produce the right amount of hardness. Thirdly, bubbles. Everyone equates a good bar of soap with lots of lather. Of course, a good lather is needed for cleansing to be effective. However, choosing the right ingredients and the right percent can also make or break your recipe. If you choose ingredients that produces lots of bubbles, you do run a risk of creating a bar of soap that's too cleansing. And remember, we talked about cleansing equals dry skin. No one wants that. On the other hand, if you choose ingredients that's too moisturizing, you can produce a product with creamy bubbles and less lather. So there you have it, my friends. You can see how tricky it is getting those 3 components right. Soap makers spend months, even years, really dialing in on their recipe, really trying to find that sweet spot. So there you can see why, when they do, they gatekeep the recipe.